Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Today's videos we are going to talk about the best gift for Mother's Day. And before I show you the gift, a couple of things I want to share with you is very important is that Mother's Day is not about spending money buying a gift. That's not the best gift. The best gift is something that you can afford coming from your heart. And I think that's more important. Gift is not always mean you have to spend money. It could be simple as making dinner, cleaning house, or even just say thank you or make your own thank you cards. So there's so many ways to show appreciation. So it's not about dropping the money. I want to make that very clear. However, if you have some money, you want to indulge your mom, this is the video for you. Almost every item I'm showing you today is under $100. Still very expensive, but there's a different discount code I'm going to be offering to you. So use that, get discount, and just get a gift to your mom. Before I show you my recommendation for Mother's Day, just quick announcement. As you guys know that I started my own skincare company called Ibu Beauty. And I'm very proud to tell you that we are very close to launch our first product. Oh my god, it's like a long journey, right? Take me forever. But for now, please join me on my beauty community on the Instagram, Ibu Beauty. And this is the playground that we share, reapply different skincare tip and technique. And the website should be launching very soon, so I can't wait for you to see it. So please support me on my new brand. That means a lot to me. Alright, so let's get started today's video. The first item I want to share with you, I have not tried it yet. I just ordered this and I just got it yesterday. Are you ready? Oh my god, it is the brand new Hermes blush and lipsticks. So hopefully you're gonna check. So for this season, Hermes launched a brand new 8 shade of a rose Hermes silky, silky blush and 3 rose lip enhancer. So what I did is obviously I can't buy all of them, that's too expensive. So I bought 1 blush and 1 lipstick, and let's just open this up with you right now. And I'm gonna try this on me, and I am not sure if am I gonna really recommend this item yet, but so far from the review, people's raving about it, so we'll see. So let's first thing first try that. You know, if you order directly from Hermes, I definitely recommend you do that because it just comes into a very beautiful package. Presentations, everything. So this is the blush, and then the one I purchased called Rose Ombre. Okay, so it comes with the white cotton box. And when you open it, there's a little orange box. I think that, you know, everyone received orange box, like just thinking, oh my god, this is gonna be amazing. And let's open this. However, one thing I don't like about this is it's a sleeve. It's not an actual box. So I think for this kind of money, they could have just put the actual box in the sleeve, right? So you open this up, this is a beautiful blush, compact. I do need to tell you, this is a very, very light. To me, luxury is all about the weight of the product. I think this is slightly too light. So this is the color, Rose Ombre. And let me get a little closer to show you guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link below so you can see what other 8 colors. And the reason I picked this is really just for myself because I don't want to wear something too heavy and too rich. So let's try this right now. And by the way, all Hermes blush, lipstick, they are refillable, which is really good. And oh, by the way, if you want to know how much is this, everybody hold, this is $77. So it's definitely a very luxury item. So I'm going to put a little bit on the brush here so you can see it grabbed the color. So try a little bit on me. Oh please, let me just get this. Okay, and by the way, don't worry about my background, it's really a disaster right now. So just focus me, okay? Focus the item I want to share with you. So try a little bit. Usually when I wear blush, I just want to create a little bit healthy glow look. My tip is that if you want to make it more natural, get a softer brush like this. So this way the color will go on softer. If your brush is very dense, the color obviously will go on much more stronger and deeper. Okay. What do you think? No? Yes, this is the one. I have to say it's a very, very light, and it does has a really nice light scent of fragrances in there. Definitely smell luxury, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I will probably say no to the blush because it's so light. It actually feels kind of cheap, I'll be honest with you. Okay, but I mean, it goes on very nice and beautiful, but come on. For $77, I need something better than just a beautiful color, right? I need to feel the weight, I need to feel the design, and I don't feel any of those right now. So I definitely will tell you, don't buy this. I think that's quite expensive. I mean, it's a beautiful color, but it's worth for $77? No, I pass. Alright, so let's move on to the lipstick. So good thing about this lipstick is more a sheer coverage. So they have 3 different shades. They are $67. I remember last year when Hermes launched the lipstick, they sold out almost like immediately. It's crazy. But now, interestingly, they are still all available. So it comes with the orange box. And it's also, oh, this, by the way, it's my first time buying Hermes makeup, so it's also slide open. It does have a little pouch, so that's kind of nice, but I wish they would have put Hermes right here, Hermes Paris, like the handbag, so that would be better. And also the material, it's not the same material as the dust bag, by the way. So this color I got is, oh, I can't see anything. I can't pronounce the word. I think it's a rose D-E-T-E. I'll show you guys. That's the color I got. So again, all the lipstick is a refillable watch. You can pull this out, and the refill is a little bit cheaper. So you gotta make sure it's in there. So the color I got is a rose deet, I think. So let's take a look. Honestly, $67 for this tiny lipstick. It's very, very small. It also have that smell. So let's just try a little swatch on my arm right now to show you guys. It's supposed to be very sheer. Wow, it's a very, very sheer. Can you see it? Let's try it. Okay, when you first apply this, it feels like a lip balm, which is good. Okay. Oh, I like the lip better. I like the lip better than the blush because it does have the luxury weight to it. It feels better, and because you can change the insert, so you can find a match color for different the color of the ring outside. So the next item I want to share with you guys right now is my absolutely love. It's the flower. You guys know this. During the Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, any freaking holiday, the roses just went up 3 times more. And then, yeah, you spend $80 buying roses and only lasts a week and it's gone. So don't spend money on those fresh roses. I mean, I get it, you know, it's fresh, it's beautiful, but they don't last. So personally, I want something that lasts forever. I don't think this lasts forever, but lasts for a very long time. So this is the company I've been collaborating with them, meaning that they send me free roses, and I tried it, and I gotta tell you, the true story is when they first time sent this to me, I did not like it. There was some damage, so I told them they were so nice enough to replace a new one. Then the new one was perfect. I have this almost a year now. It's by Rose Forever New York, and I have a special code for this. You'll get $20 off. So this is literally, it's going to be, well, not this one, the smaller ones will be under $100. It will last over a year. So definitely, I'm going to put my link and my code below so you can save $20. It doesn't matter which item that you purchase from Rose Forever, you get $20 off even on the sale item. So if you want to buy flower for your mom, this is a great one. I won't get you wrong, and the customer service is pretty good. If there's any issue, you call them, they should be able to take care of you. Let's move on to the next item. This one, I have to say, is my ultimately personal favorite. It's a company that I bought a lot of items from them. They also sent me a couple sponsor pieces, and I just love it. So the next item is really designed for mom who like to collect handbag, or She have a lot of nice handbag, but there's no way to display them. This is, hold on please. This is a luxury bag display. If you look at my video from, I think I first come to this company about 3 years ago. Absolutely beautiful. You can display your handbag in here, keep the dust, keep the humidity, display the bag. You can see your beautiful bag. Obviously, you don't have to put in the most expensive any handbag you want displaying here. It's perfect. So this particular one also have a hook on top, so you can put your chain on top. And obviously, when you go onto their site, they have a different sizes for different handbag to make things easy for you. They even put the actual handbag, like they have a Louis Vuitton Neverfull, Chanel 255, Birkin, Kelly. What else they have? You know, anything. So you can see it and make sure that that's the right display for your mom. And let's see. If you want to see more review on this, I'm going to put my other video review luxury bag display in below video so you can look at it. So the discount code I have is a Steve Jan 15, so you will get 15% off on top of any sales item. So it depends the size of the handbag. You can, if you get something smaller, you can get it under $100. And this is so timeless, so classy, so beautiful. I truly love this. Again, you're gonna see a lot of video I have talk about their display, one of the best. The one last item I want to show you is my favorite skincare product. Well, let's just get to it, okay? It is the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. So this was the last year's spring bottle. Every spring they have a limited edition, meaning that Facial Treatment Essence is a clear bottle. Do I have it here? Clear bottle, but they dress up the bottle for the same price, basically. And I'm gonna put the picture right here so you can see it. This year it's so cute. It's still the same Japanese doll head, 2 different style, but she is wearing kimono. I didn't buy it because, to be honest with you, for past 17 years I've been getting SK2 for free. Now you want me to pay, I just feel kind of weird, so I'm not buying this year, but maybe next year I'll buy more. But I love SK2, especially the Facial Treatment Essence. If you cannot afford this limited bottle, I think it's over $200. They do have a, let me see, what do you call this? A PITERA First Experience Kit for $99. In this kit here, they comes with a 2.5 ounce facial treatment essence. That alone is $99. And then you get 1-piece mask and a 30 ml toner. It's a great value introduction kit to experience SK2 before you invest a lot of money. So I will recommend you to do is to check on every retailer, because you never know, some retailer will offer discount. SK2 can get it from Saks, Bloomingdale, Macy, I believe right now, and Sephora obviously. Sephora just finished the sales, but definitely check around, you can get a deal. And the other place you can check is if you have a Costco nearby you, you can also find facial treatment essence, the pump size at Costco for really value price. If you see it, buy 2, buy 3. It's the best deal ever. Okay, so that's the skincare part I want to share for you. Obviously, if you don't know what's SK2, if you don't know what's a facial treatment essence, that's okay. So I'm going to put a link below. You can check out my other video. So basically, this is skin treatment essence. Balance, renew the skin. Use this after toner before your serum. Make your skin beautiful and glowing. That's what you need to know right now. So that's it. I just want to share with you a couple items I think it's perfect for Mother's Day. I want to say thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. It means a lot to me. And happy Mother's Day. And I will see you very soon. Bye.